Guys, porridge yam is ready. Can you see this deliciousness? I plucked vegetables from my garden. I would have plucked vegetable, but I didn't remember. Look at that, guys. Have you tried this? My yam, I'm going to add some salt. This is a very quick way you can go about your yam porridge, especially if you want to make something for your family, like very quickly. Alright, so we are using this for just dinner. So I just want to quickly make dinner. So this is what I'm making for dinner. Yam porridge with some mackerel fish. I'll show you how fast I'm going to be with this. I'm going to go in with my oil. This is the oil I'm using. It's a very good oil. Since I discovered this oil, I have been using it. Alright. I still have my carotene oil, but yeah, this is another good oil. So I encourage you to look for it and use it. So I'm going to blend my peppers, and I'll add. Here I have some onion. I'm going to blend it in. And this is my peppers. I just brought it out from the freezer. I'm not going to use everything, guys. I'll just take some of the peppers and blend it with the onion. Stay tuned. I decided to go in with ginger and garlic. Okay, I'm going to add it. I'm going to add it here while we blend. Here is our blend. I'm going to go in with my blended peppers for this porridge yam. I have some already made stew at home. I'm going to add it in. I want this porridge yam to come out very delicious. At this point, you can go ahead and add your Maggi. Go ahead and add your Maggi just a little bit. You don't want to over. I'm going to blend in my onion into my porridge yam. So here is my blended onion. Just go ahead. You can add your shallots or any onion of your choice. I'm going to go in with my onion to this porridge yam. Look at that. Guys, you can imagine what it will taste like. This is another beautiful way you can make your porridge yam. I'm going to cover this up and allow it to cook until it is tender. Then we can go ahead and add any more thing. 3 minutes later, I decide to give it a mix. Look at how this is looking, guys. My husband's uncle brought me this yam, like God bless him mightily. And I just said, you know what, I have craved for yam porridge. And I decided to quickly make myself this yam porridge. Oh yeah. I just decided I should use it for dinner. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Do you want to try your yam porridge this way? Can your yam porridge ever? Gucci's tea. It's been a while, honestly. We have gist, though. We have gist, like, guys. Gist full ground. Gist plenty. The gist plenty. We'll go gist the gist. You guys, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Everything is going to be fine. No matter what the devil throws at you, just trust God that everything is going to be all right. So let's allow it to cook. And then we come and see what it looks like. Stay tuned. Let's give it about a total of 10 minutes, okay? Mackerel fish. I'm going to be going in with some mackerel fish. You can pieces it if you like. You can decide to just add it in like that. So I'm going to add it in like this. But first of all, I'm going to check my yam. Guys, the asaro I'm cooking, the porridge yam I'm cooking today is not the one I want to break completely. This is how I want to see it in my plate. Yeah, it has enough juice, and this is what I'm aiming at. I want to be able to see my yams in the plate, cut into my yams. I don't want to pieces this porridge yam, so you can choose to pieces it. I have a couple of it on my channel. Go and look it up. This is how I want my yam to be. Yeah. So I'm going to go in with my mackerel fish. I want it to catch those juice. So I'm just going to add everything in. You can add fish if you have fish. You can choose not to. I want to pick those fishes. Trust me. Some of them are breaking already, which is not what I wanted though. But it's still okay. I'll just make sure this gets into the juice. Look at that. Guys, I do not want my yams to get broken. I want to still pick those yams. You know that asaro that you could still pick your yams. That is what I'm making. I'll cover it up and give it about 5 minutes just for my fish to cook nicely, because it just came out from the fridge. Okay, I just brought it out from the freezer and allow it to defrost. So I'm going to let it defrost nicely in the juice. Stay tuned. There's my plates, guys. Our porridge jam is ready. Daddy, biko pass through me hand nam bike weliwe. Ogi lore mia. Yes. Porridge jam is ready. Can you see this deliciousness? This is how I want it to look like. How I wish I plucked vegetables from my garden. I would have plucked vegetable, but I didn't remember. But if you have vegetable, please go ahead and enjoy it. Look at that, guys. Have you tried this? With all of those juice, oh my goodness. Look at that. Let's grab some fish. Let's grab some fish, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at this delicious porridge yam. Are you going to try this? You can mash it if you like. This is like how Ijebu people used to cook their ifoko yam or something. If I'm right, let me know in the comment section. I remember my Ijebu wives used to call it ifokore or something. Let me know if you know about this. Very delicious. Try this and let me know. I have more yams. Like, I want to eat that yam. I want to eat that yam and enjoy it. Trust me. I have more. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes, okay? Come and eat. Look at my porridge yam. It's so delicious, so good.